So let's talk about the weed eater here real quick. I use Stihl weed eaters. I have one Red Max, bought it just to try it out, didn't like it, but I still use it. This is my only 111. My other machines are 131s, and most of the times when we're in the pond, I'm going to use what's referred to as the brush blender blade. It's got the down prongs. This has got some good use on it, good wear and tear. That blade will flat wear out a machine, and you need to make sure that you keep it greased properly. So in order to grease the head of that machine, you need a tool with the star end, your grease. Grease it up just enough so that you can see the grease in there. That's got those gears all lubed up. Don't forget, put your plug back in. Get it on there good and tight with your T-bar. Make sure you take the grease in the T-bar, put it back in the bag. We're ready to go. All we got to do is put on our safety glasses, fire this bad boy up.